Okay, so kitchen is done. There'll be skirting running through. Oh. Then living room. So will be done soon as well. So this is our step-up platform with storage inside. These are the shelves. These are the drawers. So for easy access. And there are drawers on the side as well. Then the drawers are only this deep, so you still have all this amount of space, waste space. Might as well use them for storage. So to store all the smaller items, shallower items. So this is the very efficient use of the space. What happens is we're going to have a cabinet here where we will have all our cute display. Okay? So the whole idea of this whole house is like a pseudo cafe of sorts, pet cafe. So these are all supposed to go into here. And our kitchen is done up. The kitchen is a combination of black and light wood. And I'm very pleased with how the laminate turned out. It's very chill. So, and against the respective kitchen cabinets, we will have the opposite color handle, which means if it's black cabinet, there will be light wood handle, right? And if it's light wood cabinet, there will be black handles, knobs, round knobs, which will be installed at the end of the reno. And I'm very pleased with how the laminate turned out as well. Laminate, I keep saying laminate. The vinyl flooring, how it turns out. The laminate played off very nicely with the floor. And so is our TV console, also up. Actually it's TV wall to hide wires. With our very 夸张 70-inch TV, which will go on top. Then we also created this bulkhead. This bulkhead is because originally this is already a lowered ceiling. Okay, don't ask me why it's HDB design until there's a beam, and then it's lowered. So we have to also seal off with a bulkhead so that the whole thing looks intentional, and on which we will have awning, like a cafe awning So it's gonna look very finished when done. And this is actually our dining table, which is on caster, which means they are on wheels, and they can be moved around to extend a flat out, so that it's extension per se, and you have bigger table area for more guests to sit around the dining table. Our toilets are semi-done because we will still need to fix panels on the mesh. So still in progress. And this is our secondary bedroom. And this is our Murphy bed, but it's not clad up with laminate yet because we need to do the rest of the cabinets and the study or work desk, which is integrated. Yep. So then they will clad with the laminate that we want, which is darker wood for this room, darker wood with blue accent. This will be the master. And master bedroom is as simple as wardrobe, bed, nice poster, nice pendant lamp, nice bedside table, and a TV cabinet here. Okay, simple one. So again, it's simple setup because sometimes it's the best policy to be as simplified as possible, where you're supposed to sleep and rest lah, you know, don't do kwachang things until like a lot of things overhanging over you and then you feel very uncomfortable. So that is, I think feng shui will also advise you not to have anything above your bed head jutting out, towering over you. And this is our Cho master bedroom, bathroom. So we will also have, you know, shower screen and then nice louver door. This cabinet, I have no idea where is it. Oh, I think it's our display cabinet.
这边哦，只要再加多一个200，然后我们会从这边开始抓出一个幅度，有那个鸡蛋里边的形状。
OK。
所以哦，然后这边呢，我们的销也是一样保留啦，只是说我会做回一样，它跟对面的一样的幅度
啊，对，
圆形，总长变成会1.9。
所以这里是200，
对，
这里是500，
可是这个是加的啦，这是加出来，本来这个桌子1.2。
OK，
好，等下现在就变成可能1.4，1.4再加一个500，就变成1.9。
OK，
所以在这个位置嘞是 OK 的啦，整体上还是只是刚好在这边哦。
对，
整体上哦，然后转的话，这个方向
可以转啊，另外一个 orientation 啦。
对啦
OK， 可以。
只要我们可以做得到那个幅度好了。
OK。Before 他们 grout 哈，你可以叫Towler 哈，把中间的这些一粒粒哦，黑色的调在中间嘛 ，because 你看这个生硬了， 很多一粒粒的哦，都是不是在那个 space 的中间的，它升给了，哎，这些全部升给了。So 可以 adjust 了 before 他们 grout。If not 一 grout 下去就完蛋了的，that's the end already。then 每个歪歪斜斜这样。